Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is Wednesday, November 16th. Right now it's kind of late at night. I actually just got home and received this package. I checked my tracking. So this is I think it's called Audew, Audew, Audew jumper kit, jumper for vehicles. So I'm gonna open it, quickly show you guys. So this won't be a video about testing. It's just mainly going to be unboxing video, kind of show you guys what to expect. So I got this from Walmart, obviously the Walmart box right here. Just trying to open it right now. So the price is 70 bucks with the shipping and tax and everything is $78 something. So I got this for almost 80 bucks. Almost 80 bucks for Walmart, and the shipping was pretty fast. It took about 2-3 days. So I'll quickly show you guys. Looks sound like this. Audew. I guess it's called Audewdirect. I'm sorry, the video is kind of flip around. Someone mentioned that before. So Audew and direct, Direct. So that's one single word. Audewdirect. The model number is Epower 155. Epower. Multi-function jumper starter. Looks something like that. Red with the indicator. On the side it's a jump starter, power bank, car electronic, and torch. So it have a floodlight like a torch. On the side it show you kind of like the correct instruction on how to step by step how to use it, I think. But anyway, let's open this. I think this is a lithium battery. So model number Epower 155. Weight about 595 gram. Battery capacity is 20,000 milliamp. 74. Oh, I don't know what that is. 74 WHN. But yeah, input is Type C. PD 18 watt, 18W. Fully charge. It take about 3 hours. So it take about 3 hours to charge. Start current is 500 amp for 3 seconds, and then 400 amp for 5 seconds. Peak current is 2000 amp. Operating temperature is 20C to 60C. Okay, so that's pretty good. Anyway, let's open this. See what we got going on in here. So I actually read some of the review online, and some people say it's good, some people say it's bad. I guess they don't really have a good quality control, but overall I think it's average on the review, on the Walmart review. But yeah, let's give this a try. So opening from the top. Another thing I like about this is because it came with a case. Look at that. So Audewdirect. It came with a nice kind of bag of case. You got somewhere to hold on to. Let's unzip this. See what's in here. So when you first open it, I see there's a pouch on top with the zipper, and you got all your cables in here, the charger, and I assuming the bottom right here, it's a battery. Yep. So let's take the battery out first and show you guys. Decent size, not too heavy actually, and it also has a manual right here. So the product layout, you got yourselves a LED on the side, you got a torch for the light, you got a jumper socket. Anyway, let me open this and show you guys. Let's pull this out. Wow, this thing is kind of like a mirror. See yourself reflection on it. Pretty cool. So I assuming this is where all the jumper will go, the cable for to jump the car, and you got yourselves a light on the side right here. USB. Which one? You got the output. So one is a 2.1 amp 5 volt on the left, and then the other one is 12 volt output, so more output. And then you have the USB-C right here on the side to charge, I assuming. No, actually you got another one right here. Oh, I guess you have a USB type C port if you want to charge your phone. You got yourselves a 10 amp right here, 15 volt to charge this jumper, and you got a power button. So let's hit the power, see how much power we got. Oh, it's in 80%. So I assuming this is a lithium battery, and I believe it's not a good idea to charge this all the way to max 100%. I don't know, but I'm still going to do it. So I'm going to charge this all the way up, and then I'm going to leave it because currently I don't need to jump anything, but I'm going to leave it, see how long this battery will hold for 100% charge. So I'm going to step this aside, and then I'm going to show you guys the top side right here, the pouch. When you open it, you got yourselves a adapter. Oh, these are pretty nice adapter. You got yourselves a USB and USB-C. So USB-C and USB plug on the bottom. So pretty cool adapter. I'm not sure how many amp is this thing, but that's pretty nice. You got yourselves a cable, USB-C and USB on this side, and then you also USB-C to USB-C, so two of them. Okay, and then you also have, what's this? Oh, interesting. Okay, all right, I got it now. So I guess I assuming this round output right here is for your car cigarette. So kind of like a cigarette lighter. I don't know what this thing is called, but you could plug this in and you could use that. So USB-C is probably for to charge. So most likely is the way how it goes is that you use one side of USB-C on this side, and then the other side USB-C on this to charge. All right. So let's set this aside. That's cool. Another cool thing about this one is that it has, for the jumper cable, it has a, oh, it has an indicator right here. What is that? It shows correct reverse. So if you attach this the wrong way, I assume it lights up, either it lights up red showing you that you're doing it wrong, and or if it lights up green, I mean you're good to go. And then it has a boost button right here, which is kind of hard to push because it's kind of smooth, completely flat. So you might have to use like your fingernail just to push it in. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yes, like completely smooth. So boost is like, I don't know, I guess to boost the battery to use more power when you use it. But yeah, this is not a video about testing the product out. It's mainly unboxing and show you guys. Overall, it looks good. I mean, for 78 bucks or 80 dollar, I think, something like that. I think it's pretty good. I also have another one. I don't know if you've seen my other video. I have another one similar to this, but it has a indicator on the face showing you how much power there is in the battery. Not this battery, the car battery, when you attach this thing on it. So let's put this back. Let's put everything aside. Let's try to charge this. I'm going to use the USB-C to USB-C, not the regular USB, and then we'll see what happens. It goes. I like to keep all these the tie down. I don't like to lose it, so I'm like that, trying to keep everything. So to plug this in, smooth. Let's plug this side in for USB-C. Ooh, it's pretty smooth. Let's flip the camera around. Okay, so this is better. It's not flipping now. Let's take this out and let's plug this in and we'll see what happens. Oh yes, pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, maybe flip it down. So it shows 80% and it also have an indicator say type C in. So it's charging right now. You know, at first I thought it might show like a big indicator sign, like the whole full screen. But I guess not. But still, this is pretty cool. So it's charging right now. Let me see how I turn the lights on. Maybe hold it. Let me hold the power button. Ooh, yeah. Check that out. That's pretty cool. So if you hold the power button, let me hold it again. See if it have any different mode. So it doesn't have like SLS, you know, mode. It just have like a on and off. It doesn't have like an emergency, you know, mode or different like that. But it's pretty cool. Pretty large size. Let me see where this thing is made in. So you probably can see it's model Epower 155. Temperature. Does that say made in Germany? I think it's saying in Germany. Oh, that's pretty cool. So I guess it's in Germany. What? Man, these things are small writing. Okay, so it's designed in Germany, but it's made in China. Yeah, made in China. Say, but it has a like a German address on it. Well, all the information, and then an email address too. Oh, some Asian guy. Yeah, so I guess some Asian guys have their have this product have their company open in Germany. So it has a German address with a Asian guy's email on it. I think it say Mark Zan or something on the back. So it has a German address, but it's made in China, assembled, produced in China, but the company's in German. All right. So anyway, I hope you guys like the video. It's almost 13 minutes. Sorry I couldn't test the product out, but I hope you guys like it. I will get a chance to test it out when I need it, but other than that, everything else pretty good. I guess it worked for a 12-volt battery with the gasoline or diesel on the side. Okay, so for 80 bucks, I think it's a pretty good deal. Definitely pick yourself one of these up. What else do I need to say about this? I think that's about it. There is definitely cheaper one. You could get something for 40 bucks, but I think the power output is not as high as this one. It would be definitely a lot lower. I mean, this peak power is 2000 amp. I think they have one that is 1000 amp or 700 amp one as well for a lot cheaper price. But you know, being as a holiday season in November right now coming up, there's a lot of great deals. That's why I was able to pick this up. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.